In this video, I simply want to show you a secret storage on your Dodge Journey. No matter which ear you have, if you go on the back seats over here, in the footwell of the rear, the second row back seats, you may have a carpet that looks like a regular car carpet, but if you remove it, you're going to find that there's a door, and this is quite a huge storage bin. So to open it, you're going to stick your finger here and you're going to lift the lid, and right over here you see it's quite deep. You can put a purse, definitely maybe a small bag, some water bottles, anything that has value, let's say, and no one will know that it's hidden in the footwell. You can even put this carpet the other side, so the latch is not even visible from here. So unless you have a Dodge Journey, you will not know. And yes, there is one on the passenger side and behind the driver's seat as well. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you were aware of this, and I'll see you in the next video.